In today's lesson, we're going to subtract integers. So if we have a problem like this that says calculate 3 minus 7 and you need to find the answer. So you could see that 7 is a bigger number than 3. So we can rewrite the expression using addition. So we could have a negative integer here, 3 plus negative 7. So when you have a problem like this one, you could just rewrite it this way to help you understand it a little bit better. So now you could use the number line to help you. So then it makes it a little bit even more simple. And let me take you through the steps. So let's review this number line. Negative integers up here to the left of the 0. Here's the 0. And the numbers are getting smaller this way. These are positive integers to the right of the 0. And numbers are getting bigger. So numbers getting smaller this way and numbers getting bigger this way. So now we can start at 3 and move 7 spaces left because we have a negative 7 here that we're dealing with, right? So let's start at 3 here, positive 3, and then we just move one at a time left this way because numbers are getting smaller. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we end up at negative 4. So the answer to this problem, 3 plus negative 7 equals negative 4. And another way you could think about it is take 7, subtract 3, and you have 4. But you have to remember to put the negative sign because you know that it's going to be more of a negative number than a positive number. Okay? So think of it that way. That's another way of thinking about it. And that's all there is to that. So if you don't understand that, just rewatch the video and it'll make more sense maybe the second time. So if you need more help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.